How to change servers in Hero Wars. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to change your servers in the Hero Wars game, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open Hero Wars game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar. Now, you'll come across this pop-up menu where you'll need to click Change Server, and then from the left hand side menu, choose the server you want to change to and click on the door exit kind of an icon to change between the server. Then after you change the server, you'll need to create a new character and restart the game from the scratch. So if you ever want to switch the server, then this is how you do it, but the progress you made in your current server will not be transferred into that, so make sure you really want this. So that is how you easily switch between servers or create or change to a new server in Hero Wars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.